Hi guys, today I wanted to share with you this unique piece of accent furniture that I got yesterday at an estate sale. Isn't it cool? I think it's unique. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to be, but it was just too darn cute and I just had to have it. You open up the door to it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a shelf. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to be, but it was just too darn cute and I just had to have it. They were asking $125 for this piece. Well, I can't afford $125 and I wasn't gonna pay $125 for it. But I decided they were running a 25% off sale. That still wasn't cheap enough for me. So I decided to make them an offer on the piece. I offered them, get this, $30 for it. Yes, I'm a cheapskate, but yes, I can't afford $125 or even $75 to pay for a piece of furniture like this. That's just something unique and cute to look at. I mean, to me, it means a lot. But to somebody else and my husband, spending that kind of money, no. He would have chopped my head off. Just kidding. Okay, anyways, I paid $30. They accepted my offer. I couldn't believe it. It has a number stamped on the bottom, but what that means, I don't know. Otherwise, I can't find a name or anything on it, so I'm not sure if it was handmade by somebody or what the deal is, but it's just so cute and unique. I've never seen nothing like it, and I just had to have it. I'm one that collects things like that, just unique things. I'll have to show you my lamp posts. Let's walk out to my living room, and I will show you my lamp post. This is my craft and storage room and my exercise room that we're in today. I have a Gold's Gym, I have an inversion table, and I have a recumbent bike. And my husband has a stair climber. Okay guys, let's go out and I will show you my other unique thing that I got probably last year one day at an estate sale. So check this out. I got this really, really cool lamp. It's all wood. I got this in an estate sale. Guess what I paid for this? It lights up. You can put a light bulb in there and it lights up. I paid, get this, $30 for that too. And I just thought it was so cool. I've never seen nothing like it before. So yeah, I love going to estate sales. I'm an estate sale-aholic, I guess. But I don't buy often. I just pick up little things here and there that I find unique. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up and read below my video in the description. I have a link to my t-shirt site, and right now we have a sale going on, 35% off, up to 35% off everything in there. My t-shirts are only 13 bucks, guys. I have tank tops, we've got mugs, we've got tablet and phone cases, all kinds of stuff. Check out my website. I have over 1,100 designs up for you to choose on a t-shirt or any of my other 75 plus products. Alright guys, bye. Diane Gracely and Diane Tees saying bye.